Why does the flu vaccine protect you? Have you ever wondered how the flu vaccine actually keeps you safe from getting sick? The flu vaccine works by training your immune system to recognize and fight off influenza viruses before you even come into contact with them. When you receive the vaccine, it introduces harmless components of the influenza virus, like proteins found on its surface, without causing any illness. This exposure helps your immune system learn to produce specific antibodies and activate immune cells that can identify and neutralize the real virus if you encounter it later. More specifically, the vaccine encourages certain white blood cells, known as B cells, to create antibodies that attach to the hemagglutinin protein on the virus. These antibodies play a crucial role in preventing the virus from entering your cells and multiplying. Another type of immune cell, called helper T cells, is also important as they support B cells in generating these protective antibodies. Research shows that, after vaccination, helper T cells are stimulated to enhance the antibody response, which contributes to the vaccine's protective effect. There is a special group of helper T cells known as T follicular helper cells that help shape the quality of the immune response. However, sometimes these cells focus on less effective targets, which can affect how well the vaccine works. Scientists are continuously researching ways to improve vaccines by directing immune responses toward the most protective parts of the virus. The effectiveness of the flu vaccine can vary from season to season and among different groups of people. Generally, it reduces the risk of getting the flu by about 40 to 60% in healthy adults. It also helps lessen the severity of the illness and reduces the chances of complications, especially in vulnerable groups like children and older adults. The best protection occurs when the vaccine strains closely match the circulating influenza viruses. In summary, the flu vaccine protects you by priming your immune system, particularly B cells and helper T cells, to recognize the proteins of the influenza virus. This leads to the production of neutralizing antibodies and a quick, effective immune response if you are exposed to the actual virus. This immune memory significantly lowers your chances of falling ill or experiencing severe symptoms. Always remember, consulting with healthcare professionals is essential for personalized medical advice.